Because I can hear the sound of abundance of rain. As I'm standing, I'm hearing the sound of abundance of blessings. I hear the sound of abundance of favor. I hear the sound of abundance of miracle. I hear the sound of abundance of increase. I hear the sound of promotion. It is happening already in the name of Jesus. He said, God, I'm hearing the sound of abundance of rain. And I have started running. I have run with the best chariot in Israel. But the word of God says, before I have to get to the gate of Jezreel, the hand of God came upon Elijah. The Spirit of God took Elijah. And Elijah was standing before the gate. Elijah arrived before Ahab. The God of Elijah is the God of speed. And I want to announce to somebody in this meeting, it doesn't matter how many years you have wasted, you are going to recover by fire, by force. It doesn't matter what you have lost in life and destiny. Your season has come. It doesn't matter who has said something against you. It is the time to rise. It is the time to take a new dimension. It is the time to go to another level. And yet a party in the bush. Let someone shout fire. We are serving the God of fire. We are serving the God of speed. We are serving the God of restoration. That is the God of Elijah. And I want you to stand up and lift up your voice and begin to worship this God. Begin to worship this King of Kings. Begin to worship the mighty man of war. Begin to adore him because he never failed. He's our God. He's a great God. He's a mighty man of war. Where is the Lord?